DSE Writing Part B 要寫400字，係我做你，我寫夠480字啦。點解？因為分3部分俾分 Content、Language、Organisation。你 Content 寫多少少，咪容易啲俾 Level 5你咯。你習慣寫成800、1000字唔好玩啦。我寫400幾字攞到5星星，你寫成1000字做乜鬼？你練習下每段寫80至100字好啦，每次都咁練，咁你咪容易進步咯。起段用咩 expression 好呢？最 cheap 嘅就用 about 啦。你中意好似勁啲咁啊，你 as regards 咯，唔好漏咗個 as 喎。譬如你可以話 about implementing artificial intelligence could hold AI in education, comma. I would like to propose purchasing an AI account such as Gemini 3 for each student in our school. 咁點解要括號 AI 啊？第一次要寫全寫 artificial intelligence， 括咗 AI， 咁你以後咪可以寫 AI 咯。其實你用 as regards 一樣嘅啫，最緊要後邊用 noun phrase as regards implementing artificial intelligence 括號 AI in education, comma 後邊照抄搞掂。點解要舉下例啊 ？Gemini 3啊 ，Notebook LM 嗰啲，如果你用 AI 就梗係要舉下啲 AI software 嘅名稱啦，你點都識幾個。如果你要講運動啊，梗係講下幾個運動嘅名稱啦，譬如 scuba diving 啊、parachuting 啊嗰啲，你每樣記佢3-5個，舉下例子 content 分咪俾高啲你咯。你嗰段嘅第2部分就叫做 elaborating， 或者你可以叫 transition 都得嘅。用咩 expression 好呢？最簡單就 on one hand on the other hand 啦。譬如你話 on one hand, students can be encouraged to use AI for learning 24/7, regardless of time and space. On the other hand, self-assessed learning can be promoted. 你都可以試下用 as far as I'm concerned, comma 嗱呢句冇乜意思嘅啫，不過寫咗落去咪寫多6隻字咯。OK, as far as I'm concerned, comma the use of AI can promote self-assessed learning. As far as I'm concerned 點解咧？其實同 I think 冇乜分別嘅，即係你話I love you 又係咁講啊，簡潔啲。I think I love you 其實一樣意思啊。你講 I think 嚟做乜咧？有啲人仲誇張。As far as I'm concerned, comma I think I really love you。你話係咪多咗好多字？但係其實冇乜意思。不過人哋又覺得你好勁，咁寫唔寫你自己決定啊！好，你嗰段啊點樣收尾呢？譬如你可以話 all in all 啦，最簡單嘅字都唔使串，你唔會唔識串個 all 字係嘛 ？All in all, AI in education is doing us more good than harm。你可以跟住後邊 elaborate 少少嘅，咁你又可以用 in view of the above discussion， 你上面寫成60-70字起碼㗎啦嘛。In view of the above discussion, comma AI in education is doing us more good than harm。起段20-30字 ，elaboration 20-30字，收尾有20-30字，夾埋一齊咪80-90字咯。你舉下例啊，過百字都冇問題嘅，不過就唔好寫一段太長啦。如果你想知道 introduction 同埋 ending 嗰2個 paragraph 係點寫砌夠佢400-500字咧，喂，你睇睇我上邊 profile 啊，有個 handout PDF 啱啱 upload 上去嘅啫，最尾嗰個 link 就係啦，有興趣自己睇睇佢。如果你仲想研究下呢部 vocab 用字點可以再 pro 啲咧，咁你睇下呢個 QR code 啦嚇，裏邊有小弟嘅作品嚇，咁就介紹俾你睇啲字點用嘅。咁如果你覺得都夠啦嚇，聽朝要考試，咁我真係建議你做呢份，頭腦清晰，思考靈活，咁你寫出嚟篇作文都生動活潑啲，咁咪高分咯。